In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin reigns supreme, often steering the fortunes of many altcoins. Research has shown that when Bitcoin moves, the altcoins tend to follow suit, highlighting a fascinating interaction in their market dynamics. To help traders navigate this landscape, Zazook developed a tool that tracks both short and long-term Bitcoin trends. These trends are crucial because they provide insights into how Bitcoin's price actions can impact the altcoins, serving as a valuable market risk indicator. You can find detailed explanations of these risk levels in the short and long-term BTC trend channel under the How-To Guides category. The short-term trend is presented with a clear text display, accompanied by a vertical line that lights up in red, amber, or green, indicating market conditions. This display includes key information: the current and previous trends, Bitcoin's current price, market capitalization, 24-hour trading volume, and the market shares of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. On the other hand, the long-term Bitcoin trend is illustrated as a simple traffic light, changing from red to red, amber to green, and from green to amber to red, providing an easy-to-understand visual cue for traders. When a juicy tip comes in and you're evaluating a position, Zazook's long and short-term BTC trend indicators help you assess market risk. This gives traders a clearer picture to make informed decisions in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Happy trading, everyone!